Hey everyone, Coach Investor back to another Tesla video for you today. So let's talk about the genius that is the Cyberquad for kids. Now, if you've been following Tesla for a while, you know that during the Cybertruck event, we already saw a Cyberquad, not for kids, but for adults. It was already there. And actually, Elon himself said we'll aim to have it come out at the same time as Truck. Two-seater electric ATV designed to work with Cybertruck will be fun. Electric dirt bikes would be cool too. We won't do road bikes as too dangerous. I was hit by a truck and almost died on one when I was 17. Thank God that did not happen. So what if this launch of a Cyberquad for kids is just Elon playing with us again? Because we all know what happens next week, right? December 9th, the Illuminati event that is Elon Musk with everything that everybody has tried to decode. Maybe something will happen on that date, but maybe nothing will happen as well. And for this week, obviously they launched the Cyberquad for kids, they launched the Cyber Whistle and then some socks as well. Most people think it has something to do with the Cybertruck. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but most likely it has to do with the fact that this Monday was Cyber Monday, and maybe that's why they thought it would be cool to release these types of products. But something very interesting also happened. And let's show you another tweet. So Alexander here asked, can we get a legit Cybertruck update? It's been about 2 years after all. To which Elon answered, oh man, this year has been such a supply chain nightmare and it's not over. I will provide an updated product roadmap on the next earnings call. Now, obviously this means that we have to wait until January to get some news on the Cybertruck, but all of these events put together might maybe hint at something positive with regards to the Cybertruck. Now, what makes the Cyberquad for kids such a genius move? Well, up first, it's a pretty cool gift that you can buy your kids. Obviously, it's not that cheap. It's $1,900. So a gift for your kids that are, 9, 10 years old. Pretty expensive, but I'm pretty sure that parents would also like to ride that. And again, it's not that dangerous. Top speed of 10 miles per hour. It has up to 15 miles of range. So pretty nice gift to have as a family. But the whole genius here around this launch is to put more crazy types of vehicles out there. Imagine you're going through your neighborhood and suddenly you see kids or maybe adults riding this. Obviously it will pique your interest. You'll ask, where did you get this? What is this? Obviously I think most people that like pickup trucks, that like cool cars, already heard of this Cybertruck. But since it's been 2 years since we heard anything about this Cybertruck, and probably we won't see a Cybertruck until maybe end of next year on the road, launching such a product is probably going to be a good marketing tool because, well, look at the thing, looks incredible. And second of all, it might revamp some interest for people that maybe have forgotten about the launch of the Cybertruck. Oh, and let's not forget that the fact that they are selling it and it's been sold out twice already means there is interest, and it also means that there is some money coming into the business. Obviously, $1,900 is not that much for a $1 trillion company, but it really shows. The Cyber Whistle is also sold out, $50 for a whistle. Maybe that's a new Macklemore song, who knows? But it's crazy how big of a fan base Tesla has and how crazy people are, because $50 for a whistle, pretty expensive, but hey, it works, so why not? Now, before I talk about Tesla's gross margin, how that can evolve and how they're already beating their competition on that front, and also comparing it a bit to Apple, I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 free stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Now, Stock Advisor has beat the market by more than 4x. So all you have to do is go to fool.com/couchinvestor to get your free 10 stock picks now. Now, before I end this video, I just want to talk about Tesla's gross margins right now. And I do want to take Apple here as an example. Obviously, this is not going to be an apple to oranges comparison, no pun intended, but you will get my point here. So looking at Apple's gross margin as percentage of revenue from all the way back in 2005 to the fourth quarter of 2021, we see that back then it was at 28.5%. It peaked back in Q2 2012 at 47.4%, and right now we see that 42.2%. Let's take an average of 40%, which is quite nice, right? Obviously, Apple doesn't make cars, and no, I don't think Apple will ever make a car. Now let's go and look at Tesla, for example. Tesla, at first, very, very low, 13.35%. Then it peaked back then at 22.33%, went back down, and then we went and made our way back up. And today we're sitting at 26.6% gross margins, which is unheard of in the car making industry. Now I would like to show you a comparison to other big car makers out there. So this is a comparison from Q1 2021. Back then Tesla had gross profit margins of 24.1%. And if you're looking at it, you can see that they are far ahead from Volkswagen, GM, BMW, and Ford. Very, very important to note that they are producing significantly less vehicles than all of them above. And if you need a reminder, the more vehicles you produce, the better it will be for the company. So right now, Tesla is not producing 1 million cars per year, but in the coming years, they will be producing 1 million cars per year and even more, which means that you'll probably see maybe 30, maybe even a bit more in the coming years, which is incredible. And I'm obviously not going to talk about the effect of a robotaxi network, FSD, autonomous vehicles, and the Tesla insurance, because that will probably have a huge positive impact as well. So overall, this launch of the Cyberquad for kids, the Cyber Whistle, everything that's going on now with Tesla is actually incredible. We also had some preliminary numbers from Shanghai, which Tesla Daily talked about. So go check out his video, and first view of it, very good. Like I said, 2022 is really when Tesla is going to explode as a business. As a stock, it can do whatever it wants, but as a business, 2022 is going to be a huge year for Tesla. I'm very happy and grateful to be a Tesla shareholder. It's my biggest position in my portfolio, and that's not going to change in the years to come. So that will be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts on are the Cyberquad, the Cyber Whistle, everything that's going on with Tesla. Do let me know down in the comments below. Have a great weekend. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.